Writing a letter to the Income Tax Department can be a daunting task. But with the right guidance, it can be made easier. The first step is to identify the purpose of your letter, which could be to request a refund, clarify a tax-related issue, or respond to a notice. Once you have identified the purpose, start by writing your name and address in the top left corner of the page, followed by the date. Then write the address of the Income Tax Department, which can be found on their official website or on the notice you received. The next step is to write the subject line, which should be clear and concise, stating the purpose of your letter. For example, if you are writing to request a refund, your subject line could be "Request for refund of excess tax paid." The body of the letter should be concise and to the point, explaining the purpose of your letter and providing any necessary details. Make sure to include your PAN number and assessment year, as this information is crucial for the department to process your request. When writing the body of the letter, use a formal tone and avoid using jargon or technical terms that you are not familiar with. Instead, focus on clearly explaining your issue or request, and provide any supporting documents or evidence that may be required. After completing the body of the letter, sign it and mention your designation, such as taxpayer or authorized representative. Make sure to keep a copy of the letter for your records, and send it to the Income Tax Department via registered post or speed post. Finally, make sure to follow up on your letter after a few weeks, to ensure that it has been received and processed by the department. By following these steps, you can write an effective letter to the Income Tax Department and get your tax-related issues resolved efficiently.